We're here at Dr. Reath's office back for more laser hair removal. We are going to start with the bikini line here. This is one of our most popular areas, and this, now that we have this XL HR, it takes hardly any time to do this. Are you ready?
Okay.
Here we go. This is a wonderful treatment to go ahead and get started on now for next summer, because these are typically 8 to 12 weeks apart, and so it may take a few, maybe 4 to 6 treatments to get you summer ready for summer of 2019. We love this new laser because it's so much quicker and a lot less painful. I'm using no topical numbing cream now on the bikini line, unlike I used to do. How you feeling?
I feel no pain at all.
No pain at all?
No pain at all.
That is amazing. Super excited. So you guys should call and make your appointment today.